Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today was the second day of the tint install, but for the roof. Tinting a glass roof has become a new offer due to the fact it's such a big piece of film. Luckily, I was in good hands because of my good friend Alex. Big shout out to him for this. The process of this install is basically the same procedure as any other tint, as my last video. But since this is going on the ceiling and it's a big piece, it's going to take a bit longer. Alex over here was able to get it done under an hour and 45 minutes. The only difference of this is that it's on the ceiling, which means the work is going to be at a upright position. Nonetheless, the work was still pretty quick than I thought it would be. It came out very nice and super clean. Although the film is on the ceiling, you need to let it rest for 5 to 7 days for the film to settle. I do highly suggest to let the car sit in the heated areas such as outside on a sunny day. After that, take it back to your tint technician to check for any imperfections. Without the potential corrections can lead to film peeling or future defects of the tint. After this highly motivated install, my car has significantly decreased in temperature wise. The interior feels much cooler and darker than it was before. If you guys are going to ask, I went with 5% ceramic for privacy and temperature resistance, since summer is literally right around the corner. Price varies by every shop. The estimate of the service can range from $600 to $1,000. The reason why? Well, as I stated before, it's a big piece of film. This most likely will apply for Model Ys only. I'm not too sure if Model S's have a similar roof structure as a Model Y, but I know for the fact that the Model 3 and the Model X are completely different. So it doesn't hurt to go call and ask for a quote at your local tinting service. I hope you guys enjoyed today's short video of the install for the roof. And after all the windows are tinted except for the front windshield, right? I get so much more privacy and the temperature decreased drastically. Even though I'm parked at the park right now in the sun, I hardly feel any temperature rising. Luckily enough, if you have the app, or most Tesla always will have app, and within the app will notify you how hot your interior is, and it'll notify you once the AC is on and everything like that. But it makes a huge difference getting your roof tinted. So, and make sure to get it ceramic. You know, all your windows all ceramic. If you guys want to go with the front windshield, go for it. Although it is illegal to do the front windshield, but if you get caught, you get caught. If you don't, you don't. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace out.